Our Schools Division Superintendent, Roberto A. Mahaliman, our District Supervisor, Maria Cristina G. Miracap, Division Authorized Representative, Mr. Ken Daniel A. Malik, Graduation District Monitor, Ms. Mercy Ann Villarosa Estacion, and to our esteemed school head, Mr. Rayo Erinola, proud parents, and most importantly, graduates. It is our distinct honor to introduce our guest speaker for today's graduation ceremony. A trailblazer in her field, a leader with unwavering dedication and inspiration to countless individuals around the globe. She is the daughter of Nicamera C. Nieras and Sofronio A. Nieras from Pinaungan, Biliran. At 36, she is a loving mother of 3 and a devoted wife to her spouse, Mr. Emmanuel F. Abartes. She spent her elementary years here in Busali Elementary School from grade school to 6 and graduated year 2002. She is indeed a consistent honor winner. In her high school years, she entered the Sisters of Mary School and graduated year 2005 and got the Best Religion Award. She graduated at Naval State University year 2011 in college and took her master's degree at Asian Development Foundation College. She had so many work experiences before. In the year 2005 to 2007, she was in the GEC company and worked as a sewer. After that, she also worked at Our Lady of Fatima Parochial School for 2 months and developed a kindergarten teacher in Barangay Pinanguhan last 2012. And now, she is currently a teacher-free at Pinanguhan Elementary School. She believed that it does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you don't stop. Ladies and gentlemen, my pleasure